All right, welcome to Pretty Good Level Multi-View Drawings. And this is drawing number 2. For this video, you will need 4 cubes and a triangular prism. If you haven't made these yet, the link is down below where you can click show more, and you can see a video where you can get some help making these. You're also gonna need a printout like this. To locate that, you should visit our website. Once you found us at riblady.com, you can click on the blog section. And once you've gotten to the blog, we are looking at multi-view, pretty good level drawings 1 through 3. Click into that blog post and you should scroll down and find the second drawing. When you click on that, you can print out this larger copy and print it out. And it's kind of helpful if you set blocks on top of pieces. Do keep in mind that this one is drawn at half scale. So what do you need to do first? You need to build the front view. Now for that, I am going to adjust my camera angle. So here we go. I am scooting down and I am getting down to the business of reading a multi-view drawing and teaching you how to get better at this process as well. So as I look at the front view, I'm looking in the left-hand column. I always start building in the front view. I am going to go ahead and place in this first block. And then as I look, there is another block above it. So I'll go ahead and place a block right on top of it. So that's my first column. Now as I look over to the right, I have a block next to it. So I will place that one in. And then if you look over, I can see that I have a triangular prism. So now I'm going to place that one. Now my build isn't complete because now it's time to look at the top view. So for that top view, as we're looking at this, I am just going to start by checking my work. So here I am looking in column number 1. I've projected this up to this space. From the top, I should see the shape of a square, which I have. But then if you look at this top view, there should also, we didn't know it when we looked at the front view, but when we look at it from the top, there was another block hidden back there, and that block is placed right here. If we go over in our columns, here is the second block. That was this one right here. And when we were building, we didn't know too much about it, but yup, still a square shape. This piece from the top is a square shape, so we keep moving on. Here is our triangle. We placed a triangular prism there earlier, and if we project up and look at that triangular prism from the top, it is showing the shape of a square, which we see represented here. Now it's time to look at our drawing from the right side view. So for that, I'm going to rotate this towards my body. I'm going to change my camera angle here in a moment so that you can see the way that I would be looking at it as I'm trying to interpret this right side view. If you look up at your handout, you can see that in the first column, we should see the shape of a square. Now, if you look at this triangular prism right here, this shape is showing us the shape of a square. So we will make absolutely no changes to our build. We can see that there is nothing in this space here, and yet in our build we have a piece there. So what do we do about that? We can't just remove it. But if we look at our handout, we can see that this piece is actually in the right-hand column. So it's a pretty easy fix. We just slide this across. Now as we look at our printout, in our right-hand column here, we are 2 blocks high, which is what we achieved here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your finished, pretty good level multi-view drawing number 2. Here it is, from an isometric angle. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you appreciated this content, please hit the like and subscribe button, and check out our website. We're at riblady.com.